Working in accounting is such a rewarding, well-compensated, and stable career, but many people think it's tough to break into without experience. In this video, I'll walk you through what you need to know to land a job in accounting, including key insights for hiring processes, what hiring managers are looking for, and how to build the right skills. Stay to the end because I'll share the top skill companies are looking for in accounting professionals. You might already have it, but if you don't, this could be the #1 thing preventing you from landing a job interview right now. If you're new here, I'm Khalil Jackson. I'm an accounting professional with 12 years of experience in the field, and I'm also a career coach with CourseCareers, where I help students navigate their path into accounting careers. I went from knowing nothing about accounting in high school to becoming an accounting manager making $120,000. I started this channel to share real insights about what it takes to succeed in this industry. Be sure to subscribe for more career advice. This is a perfect time to get into accounting because opportunities are everywhere. According to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, there are over 1.6 million accounting positions in the United States, and employment is projected to grow 5% from 2024 to 2034, faster than average for all occupations. In the past 2 years, more than 300,000 U.S. accountants and auditors have left their jobs, creating incredible opportunities for newcomers. But before I dive into my step-by-step system, let me tell you about the fastest way to determine if accounting is right for you. CourseCareers offers a completely free accounting intro course that'll teach you exactly what the day-to-day work looks like, what employers expect, and whether this career is right for you. Plus, they have a free AI career counselor that matches you to the perfect accounting specialization based on your interests and goals. The best part, you can start for free right now to see if accounting is your calling. No risk, no commitment. I'll put the link in the description. Accounting is appealing for so many reasons. If you enjoy working with numbers, solving financial puzzles, and helping businesses make smart decisions, this career offers all of that. You'll be trusted with critical financial information early in your career. You'll get exposure to every part of how businesses operate, from budgeting to financial reporting to strategic planning. The work is diverse and challenging, meaning you'll never get bored doing the same repetitive tasks day after day. Talk to anyone who's been in accounting for long enough, and they'll tell you stories about helping companies through financial crises, catching errors that saved thousands of dollars, or providing insights that drove major business decisions. And one of the most fulfilling parts, you actually get to make a real difference in business success. Many people considering accounting also look at paths like finance, bookkeeping, business analysis, or project management, but the earning potential in accounting often matches or exceeds those roles, especially as you gain experience and specialize in areas like tax or auditing. I personally started at $58,000 right out of college and have worked my way up over 12 years. Today, the median annual wage for accountants and auditors was $81,680 in May 2024, and experienced professionals can earn well into the six figures. So how do you land a job in accounting? If you talk to professionals, you'll notice a pattern. Many stumbled into it by accident. Some started as bookkeeping clerks and picked up accounting skills on the job. Others applied for accounts payable positions because they needed work and discovered they had talent for financial analysts. That may be other people's paths, but it doesn't have to be yours. Instead, let's have you dive into accounting on purpose, wholeheartedly. When you approach this career with intention and preparation, you'll stand out from other candidates and have a much better chance of landing that first job. As a career coach, I work with many students who are breaking into accounting, and I'll tell you, the biggest difference between those who land jobs quickly and those who struggle is preparation. Companies want people who understand the role, have skills they can apply, and show genuine interest in accounting. When you demonstrate that you've taken steps to learn about the industry and develop relevant skills, you immediately separate yourself from candidates who are just looking for any type of paycheck. Companies hate when somebody takes the job without knowing what they want, only to leave months later when they realize the work isn't what they expected. That's a nightmare for them because training new employees is expensive and time consuming. But if you show clarity and motivation, you stand out immediately. Let me break it down. What account professionals actually do day to day. About 30% of your time is spent on transaction recording and bookkeeping, entering financial data into accounting systems. 25% involves financial analysis and reporting, creating statements and analyzing trends. 20% is compliance work, ensuring accuracy and following regulations. 15% involves client or internal communication, explaining financial information to stakeholders. 10% covers month-end and year-end closing processes, reconciling accounts, and preparing reports. Now, that might sound like a lot, but the variety is one of the best parts of working in accounting. You touch almost every part of the business operations, and no 2 days are exactly the same. One day, you might be analyzing budget variances for a department, and the next day, you're preparing financial statements for external external auditors. Here's the problem most people face when trying to break into accounting. The longest, most expensive way is through a formal degree program. These programs typically take 4 years and can cost $30,000 to $60,000. While you'll learn a lot, many successful accounting professionals will tell you that they didn't need that expensive education to start their careers. Another way is brute force, trying to land a job with just transferable skills from other work. Sometimes this works if you have relative experience in finance, data analysis, or administrative fields, but it's tough when every job posting says entry level, yet requires some accounting knowledge or experience. Not a single entry level accounting job really accepts zero experience. They all want you to walk in with some context and basic skills. Even junior positions expect you to understand accounting principles, recognize financial statements, and know basic accounting terminology. Most training options either require you to already have experience or they cost a fortune in tuition. And free YouTube videos won't get you interview ready because they lack structure and don't cover the practical skills employers actually need. That's why so many people get stuck. They want to break in, but they're missing the bridge between transferable skills and what employers actually want. This is exactly why I work as a career coach with CourseCareers on their accounting program. When I looked at the market for good accounting training, I was disappointed. Most programs either assumed you already had experience or cost as much as a college degree. CourseCareers asked me to develop and coach students through a program that actually prepares people for real accounting jobs. Their accounting course teaches exactly what employers want. No fluff, just practical skills you can apply from day one. It was developed with input from seasoned accounting professionals who know exactly what hiring managers look for. Their program focuses on hands-on projects and real-world scenarios that mirror what you'll actually do in an accounting role. As someone who took the traditional accounting path at Texas A&M, I can tell you that CourseCareers covers the essential skills faster and more effectively than most degree programs. You learn precise skills employers want you for entry-level positions. Then you learn how to get hired by building a resume, understanding the hiring process, and then mastering interviews. The full program takes you step by step through foundation modules like accounting fundamentals, profit and loss, and balance sheets. Then practical skills like journal entries, T accounts, and debits and credits, plus specialized training in payroll, billing and collections, bookkeeping, and tax preparation. You get real-world application through case studies and hands-on projects, plus career preparation with resume coaching, interview prep, and LinkedIn optimization. Inside the full course, you get support both one-on-one and in groups with coaches like me who offer free workshops to help you get through the course and get hired. You get lifetime access to the materials, updates, and community, but only if you pay in full. You can choose the full one-time payment of $499 or 4 bi-weekly payments of $150 each. And with my link, you can save $50, bringing it down to $450. Plus, there's a 14-day money-back guarantee, so it's completely risk-free. When you're preparing for accounting, focus on these key skills. First is the technical proficiency with accounting software and Excel. You need to be comfortable with programs like QuickBooks, Sage, or NetSuite. Understanding how to create formulas, pivot tables, and financial models in Excel is also important. Second is attention to detail and accuracy. Accounting works involves precise calculation and financial data, so following procedures correctly isn't optional. Employers want people to double check their work and catch errors before they become problems. Third is analytical thinking and problem solving ability. Accounting systems are complex, and when numbers don't balance, you need to think logically to identify where the error occurred. This skill develops over time, but showing that you can approach problems systematically will impress employers. Most importantly is professional communication. It's the #1 skill that separates successful accounting professionals from those who struggle. You will interact with managers, auditors, and other departments every day. You need to explain financial information in simple terms, listen carefully to business requirements, and document your work clearly. I've seen accounting professionals disqualify themselves just by responding to an interview request unprofessionally. Communication is judged not just in the interview, but in every single email you send, every phone call you make, and every interaction you have with colleagues. The best way to land your first accounting job is to show genuine interest in the field. Enhance this by referencing recent steps you've taken toward this career, like taking this training course. When you can tell an employer about specific accounting concepts you've learned or projects you've completed to prepare for accounting work, it demonstrates commitment. Here are 5 steps I recommend to land your first accounting job. First, confirm your interest by learning basic accounting principles. Research different career paths and potentially job job shadowing someone in the industry. This gives you real exposure to what the work actually involves. Second, take a training program that covers the fundamentals. This doesn't have to be massive time investment, but you need structured learning that covers debits and credits, financial statements, and accounting software. Third, get out and network while applying. Don't just submit applications online. Attend local accounting society meetings, connect with professionals on LinkedIn, and reach out to hiring managers directly. Have real conversations with them about your interest in the field. Fourth, be consistent and make finding a job your job. Set daily goals for applications. Follow up on previous contacts and keep learning while you search. Persistence often matters more than perfect qualifications. Fifth, prepare for interviews by practicing how you explain your interest in accounting and what steps you've taken to prepare. Be ready to discuss what you've learned and why you want to build a career in this field. As a career coach, working with accounting students, I can tell you the biggest mistake people make during the job search is not being persistent enough. They apply to a few jobs, don't hear back immediately, and then give up. Instead, make it your job to get a job. Set aside time every day to search for opportunities, make contacts, and follow up on previous applications. From my own journey, I can tell you I started at $58K working at NG Gas and LNG right after getting my accounting degree. Through consistent effort and continued learning, I progressed from an accountant 1 to an accountant 2, then moved into consulting roles and eventually became an accounting manager. The path isn't always linear, but what matters most is getting started with the right foundation and maintaining genuine interest in the field. If you're serious about starting your accounting career, don't waste time with random tutorials and courses you'll never finish. Click the link below to start CourseCareers' free accounting intro course right now. Learn exactly what the career entails, explore the current job market, and discover how to break in. Use their free AI career counselor to find your perfect accounting specialization. Then, when you're ready, use my link to save $50 on the full program. That discount is only available through my link. Remember, every day you wait is another day you're not building towards that 50K plus starting salary and the financial freedom that comes with it. The link is in the description. Start your course today and take that first step towards your new accounting career. Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to this channel. You've got this.